Yesterday, Anthropic released its magnum opus, a new large language model that dominates GPT-4 and Gemini Ultra across the board.
Who is the smarter AI? Claude versus GPT-4. Imagine two super-powered language models, whiz kids of the AI world. That's Claude and GPT-4, constantly evolving and pushing the boundaries of what machines can do with words. But who wears the champion's crown in a contest between the two? Let's dive into their strengths and see who is the smarter AI between Claude and GPT-4. Claude's corner, the long-haul learner. Unlike us forgetful humans, Claude boasts an exceptional memory. It can hold on to a massive amount of information thanks to its humongous context window. Think of Claude as a studious master with an elephantine memory. It can hold on to a whopping 200,000 words of context, like remembering an entire conversation thread. Think of it like a supersized workspace on your desk, but instead of papers, it holds ideas and snippets of knowledge. This allows Claude to analyze long stretches of text, like research papers or novels, and understand the connections between different parts. It also lets Claude analyze massive documents or legal contracts with laser focus, piecing things together like a champion puzzle solver. Need a detailed summary of a 500-page report? Claude's got your back. Its understanding of long passages makes its writing super smooth and coherent, almost like a seasoned author crafting a masterpiece. Imagine a super-powered research assistant who can sift through mountains of information, write like a seasoned author, and answer your questions with surprising depth. That's the potential of Claude, a cutting-edge large language model, LLM, from Anthropic AI. But Claude is not just a bookworm, though. It's a whiz at various tasks, making it a true all-rounder. Need a compelling blog post written in a captivating style? Claude can whip one up in a jiffy. Stuck on a coding problem? Claude can analyze existing code and suggest solutions. Feeling stumped by a tricky math question? Don't worry, Claude can break it down and guide you towards the answer. This versatility makes Claude a valuable tool for anyone looking for an intelligent assistant. Students can use it for research and essay writing, while professionals can leverage its capabilities for content creation, coding assistance, and problem solving. Another cool trick Claude has up its sleeve is honesty. If it doesn't know something, it'll tell you straight up. No bluffing or making things up on the spot. This might seem like a small thing, but it builds trust and helps you know when to rely on other sources. One of Claude's most commendable features is its focus on safety. Unlike some AI models prone to generating harmful content, Claude is built with a strong emphasis on responsible use. Imagine you ask Claude to write a news article. It will not only create an accurate and informative piece, but it will also be mindful of avoiding bias or offensive language. This safety focus is crucial as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. We want an AI that can be trusted, and Claude's commitment to responsible use is a big step in the right direction. Beyond the basics, Claude is like a constantly evolving mind. It's not a stagnant pool of knowledge. It is constantly learning and evolving. Anthropic, the team behind Claude, is dedicating to improving it with new data and algorithms. This means Claude is always getting smarter, able to tackle new challenges and refine its existing skills. Think of it like this: Claude is like a student who's always eager to learn. The more information it's exposed to, the better it becomes at understanding the world and completing tasks. This continuous learning ensures Claude stays relevant and adaptable in our ever-changing world. A look at GPT-4's impressive features. Now, GPT-4 is more like the cool kid on the block who excels at everything. It may not have Claude's marathon memory, but it's a whiz at juggling different tasks. Need to write a poem, translate a language, or even code a simple program? GPT-4 can do it all, and quite well at that. Imagine a superpowered brain that can write a hit song, translate languages in a flash, or even create realistic images. That's the world of GPT-4, one of the most advanced artificial intelligence systems around. Developed by OpenAI, GPT-4 is like a Swiss Army knife in the field of language, boasting a mind-boggling set of features that are revolutionizing how we interact with computers. So, what exactly makes GPT-4 so special? Think of GPT-4 as a wordsmith on overdrive. Feed it a sentence, a paragraph, or even just a single word, and it can whip up all sorts of creative text formats. Want a sonnet about a grumpy cat? A news report on the latest space discovery, written in a formal style? A hilarious script for a comedy skit? GPT-4 can handle it all, mimicking different writing styles and even generating different creative text formats. It's like having a personal writing assistant that can adapt to any situation. GPT-4 isn't just a language specialist. It can also understand and generate code. Stuck on a programming problem? Need help debugging a complex script? GPT-4 can analyze your code, identify errors, and even suggest potential fixes. It can also write entire programs based on your instructions, making it a valuable tool for programmers of all levels. Imagine explaining what you want your program to do in plain English, and GPT-4 turns that explanation into real, working code. Pretty amazing, right? Breaking down language barriers is another superpower of GPT-4. It can translate between a vast number of languages, going beyond simple word swaps. GPT-4 understands the context of what's being translated, ensuring the meaning and tone are preserved across languages. This makes it a game changer for communication, allowing people from all over the world to understand each other with ease. GPT-4 isn't just a parrot that regurgitates information. It can truly grasp the meaning of language. It can analyze text, understand the sentiment behind it, whether it's happy, sad, angry, or something else entirely, and even answer your questions in a way that reflects that understanding. This makes it a powerful tool for tasks like sentiment analysis in social media or even summarizing complex documents. GPT-4 is also a master of information synthesis. Imagine having a personal research assistant that can scour the web for information, analyze it, and then present it to you in a clear and concise way. That's what GPT-4 can do. It can access and process massive amounts of information from the real world through Bing, with limitations, as it doesn't have direct web access, allowing it to stay up to date and provide insightful summaries on a variety of topics. Need a quick rundown on the latest scientific breakthroughs? Curious about the history of a particular place? GPT-4 can be your information guru. Stepping into the creative zone, GPT-4 isn't just about work and research. It can also unleash your creative side. It can generate different creative text formats of stories, poems, code, scripts, musical pieces, email, letters, etc., and can help you brainstorm ideas for anything from a marketing campaign to a novel. Stuck on writer's block? GPT-4 can provide prompts and inspiration to get your creative juices flowing again. So, who wins? It depends. The truth is, there's no single winner in the Claude versus GPT-4 battle. It all depends on what you need them for. You can call on Claude when you need a deep analysis of lengthy documents, if you want flawless writing that flows naturally, situations where honesty and admitting limitations are crucial. You can call on GPT-4 when you need something creative, like a poem, code, or multimedia project, if staying updated on current events is a priority, situations where tackling a wide range of tasks is essential. So, who claims the crown in the battle of the AI titans? The truth is, there's no simple answer. Both GPT-4 and Claude are constantly learning and evolving, and are pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. New features and capabilities are being added all the time. Who knows, maybe one day they'll be able to collaborate. Claude's deep analysis skills complementing GPT-4's creative spark. The future of AI is exciting, and these two language models are at the forefront. As they continue to develop, they'll undoubtedly push the boundaries of what's possible, making our lives easier and more creative in ways we can only begin to imagine. One thing's for sure, the AI revolution is well underway, and we're just at the beginning. The question isn't who will win, but how will AI reshape our world? What role will it play in our lives? Will it be a partner, a tool, or something more? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Who do you think is the smarter AI? And more importantly, are you excited or apprehensive about the rise of AI?